Energy is never really lost. It can change form, it can spread out, and it can become harder to use, but it never disappears. This idea is known as the conservation of energy, one of the most fundamental principles in physics. When an object stops moving, its energy doesn't vanish. It turns into heat, sound, or microscopic motion in the surrounding environment. Even when energy seems wasted, it is simply transferred. A falling object converts gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. When it hits the ground, that energy becomes vibrations, heat, and sound. Nothing is destroyed. This principle applies everywhere, from everyday objects to stars and galaxies. When a star shines, it is not losing energy into nothingness. It is converting mass into energy, following Einstein's famous relation, E equals mc squared. Even in the most extreme events, like explosions or collisions, the total amount of energy remains constant. So why does it feel like energy disappears? Because energy naturally spreads out. It becomes less concentrated, less organized, and less useful for doing work. A hot object cools down not because energy is lost, but because it is shared with its surrounding. In the end, energy is never destroyed. It only changes form and disperses. What we call loss is really just energy becoming harder to recover.